Hey there, it's CreativeSarah here. Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to make some really cute decorative oars. Oh my goodness, I'm using our white chalkable chips and I'm using some candy apple red, and then I'm taking a mixture of cadet and black velvet. I made a little darker of a blue and I'm using just those two colors. So it's going to be very red, white, and blue. This is great for your lake house, your water pictures, your water decor, or even if you have some patriotic up, this will go really well because it is red, white, and blue. So after I chalk on the little boutique surface, the little chalkable chip, I am going to make sure it's completely dry, and then we're going to attach it using the 2-glue method. Of course, I've shown you that before, but if you missed it, we're going to take some of our regular Gorilla Glue all-purpose, and we're going to put some of that down, and that is going to be the long-lasting permanent glue that we need. And we're going to put a little bit of hot glue that's going to be an instant stick, and it'll hold it in place while the other glue dries. So again, that is the 2-glue method. I sure hope you are subscribed. I sure hope that you have followed and liked my page. You'll get lots more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. Comment VIP if you're new. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day.